how do you how do you differentiate between good cocaine and bad cocaine?
What do you mean?
That was
What's it like? Depends what kind of cocaine you get. If
well.
you get good cocaine, it's great. If you get shitty cocaine, it's shitty cocaine. Get out of
How
my
do you
face.
how do you how do you differentiate between good cocaine and bad cocaine?
Well, I don't do it anymore, so it's not even an issue. But I remember my buddy Chris Christopherson had some. We were at a Gemco. That was an old-fashioned. It used to be like a Target.
Mm-hmm.
And we were in there. We were stealing like those little fuzzy little animals and things they got for animals, for dogs or cats. Those little toys. We were putting them in our shorts, and that would just. I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but